everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share this amazing little parcel. I'm going to do a quick unboxing. This is the Mumsy Bub anniversary box, which was just released this month. I just got this in the mail. I'm really excited to share with you guys. I've seen some sneak peeks on social media. If you are on Instagram or Facebook, you would have seen these as well. If you're part of the VIP group, absolute gorgeousness. You guys are just going to freak when you see this. So I just have my phone on the top to cover up the address. Let's pop into it. I have just sliced open the tape. It is nighttime here. I have my little light above my desk. It may be a touch too bright. We'll do our best with this. So let's pull all these goodies out. It all comes packed up in this lovely cotton bag. So all the hollow goodness. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's start with not the boring stuff, but certainly not the star of the show. I want to leave that to last. So to start with, I have a beautiful pen. It's stunning. It's rainbow glitter. Super, super sparkly. Thought it might be a gel pen, but actually a ballpoint. It's nice and smooth for a ballpoint, actually. Writes really nicely. There's no skipping. So there we go, that is beautiful. And these are washi strips, really nice. Oh, that's interesting paper. So this paper feels like almost washi paper. Like you can see it's that kind of transparent. Yeah, it feels like washi tape. That's really cool. So look at that. It's all galaxy patterns, absolutely stunning. These ones down here, that's actually snowflakes in winter. And then, oh, that night sky is just gorgeous. Beautiful. I love that. I've got 2 sheets of those. Stunning. And a whole bunch of washi. Super excited. So there's 2 of these really wide. And they're about 1 inch wide, I'd say, thick washi. This is trees in the snow by the looks of it. And then this is kind of like a forest. It goes that way. Really, really pretty, sparkly, glittery. Can't wait to get these out and have a look at them. Then we have the medium size ones. I think this one is just glitter. This one appears to have a bit of a scene in there. It's kind of hard to tell with the plastic on, so I'll have to open them all up and unroll them out so we can have a look. And then these are the 2, I want to say like small ones, but they're normal size. The others are just big. So these are like your normal sort of 1 centimeter or 12 mil, maybe 12 mil with washi. So this top one is just a beautiful solid hollow pattern. And this one is a beautiful blush pink with hollow hearts all over it. That's so pretty. So, so pretty. Now on to the main event. So with this one you get a pen sleeve and a traveler's notebook, both in this beautiful holographic print. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's like a crackle holographic. Oh, look at that. And it really pops under my lights. Just part of the reason why I wanted to film this night, because, well, I have the time now, but also this holographic stuff just shows up so much better under the artificial lights. It's just incredible. I can't even tell you, it's not showing up on camera even close to how pretty it is in real life. So there's the pen sleeve, and then this is the traveler's notebook. It's a B6 standard wide, so pull it out. Oh my gosh. And it is that hollow inside and out. Oh my goodness, is this just not the most beautiful, sparkly, magical goodness? Oh my gosh. Look at the hollow on that. This doesn't look real. It's just incredible. This is my new favorite thing on the planet. Holy heck, look at it. Oh, those colors. Oh, they're so beautiful. I'm just in awe of how beautiful this thing is. Wow. So I can't even speak. I'm just so overwhelmed. It's a wide spine. It's B6, like I said. You get this large secretarial pocket in the back, a pen loop, and the front has these horizontal pockets. You have the big one in the back and then the smaller ones in the front with the card window. Oh, I'm just overwhelmed by the beauty of this thing. There's no logo on the back, so nothing to like detract from this beautiful, beautiful hollow. You just have this little embossed logo on the back inside pocket. So pretty, absolutely breathtaking. So there's the pen sleeve and the TN. I just can't, I can't get over how gorgeous this is. So that's the whole box. If you are interested in picking this up, rush over because they're limited. The items in this box are not going to be sold separately, so if you want to get your hands on these, I would highly suggest you rush over there and get them because, as I say, stock is limited. The box is $85 plus shipping, so you get all of this for $85. They are on the website now, so as I said, hurry if you want to grab yours. All the information will be down below in the description box, so if you want to go find the store or the VIP group, just check the description box below and I'll have everything linked there. If you are planning on picking one of these up, make sure to pop my discount code in at checkout. That will get you 10% off. The code is Danni10. I will leave that in the description box as well. It works on everything in the shop, so make sure to use that if you're placing an order because 10% is a nice little discount. Okay, that is everything from me. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.